Hello, Anderson. I'm here reporting live from Gary, Indiana, which sounds like the name of a friend of mine. And right next to Gary, Indiana is the Gary Works, some sort of industrial zone. Now here, in amongst the Gary Works, is this abandoned warehouse. You can squat here, right? Cook up a can of soup, like at the end of Midnight Cowboy. Okay, so the Gary Works, it sounds like an artistic period from a guy in the Guggenheim, but no. And let's get crazy in Gary, Indiana. Let's have a lot of works in the Gary Works. By the way, here are more works in the Gary Works, huh? Here are even more works in the Gary Works. Here are even more works in the Gary Works. And yet more works at the Gary Works. Wow, this Gary guy is busy. I mean, look at all he's doing. It's just works on top of works on top of works. How does Gary have time to do all this work? Gary, seriously, take a break, all right, man? Sit on the couch, watch Netflix, eat a Twinkie. It's okay. Gary, holy cow, man. I can't believe how much work you're doing. You're just doing more work and more work. I don't know if you got clones going out and doing work for you, and then you're doing their work, but come on, Gary, come on. You gotta relax, man. This is a lot of work. I mean, no one can do this much work. No one. Gary, I gotta chill out.